If your snacks are more junk than fuel, you're definitely not alone. Let's bust some myths about craving science style. Our bodies are wired to crave quick energy. That means sugar, fat, and salt light up our brains like a jackpot. But here's the twist. Empty calories. Foods with lots of calories but little nutrition don't actually satisfy us for long. They spike our blood sugar, then leave us hungrier than before. So, what can you do? First, don't shop hungry. Your brain will beg for easy calories. Second, swap out ultra-processed snacks for foods with fiber and protein. Think nuts, yogurt, or fruit. Third, pause before you reach for that cookie. Sometimes a glass of water or a quick walk can reset your craving. Bottom line, your cravings aren't a weakness, they're biology. But with a few smart habits, you can outsmart empty calories and fuel your best self. Stay curious, stay healthy. Subscribe for more health tips.